Ants. They're tiny, they're mighty, and they're unfortunately quite adept at infiltrating our homes. These persistent pests are drawn to food and water sources, making our kitchens and pantries particularly vulnerable. Crumbs left on counters, spills on floors, and open food containers act as beacons, signaling a feast for these industrious insects. Once they establish a trail, ants release pheromones that attract their colony members, quickly turning a minor nuisance into a full-blown infestation. This is why it's crucial to address ant problems promptly and effectively. While professional pest control is an option, many people prefer to tackle the issue themselves using readily available household items and natural remedies. These DIY methods can be surprisingly effective in deterring ants and disrupting their established trails. Not only are these solutions often more affordable than commercial pesticides, but they also provide peace of mind, especially for households with children and pets, as they minimize exposure to harsh chemicals. Let's explore some practical and easy-to-follow hacks to send those pesky ants marching right back out of your home. White vinegar. This pantry staple disrupts ant trails and repels them with its strong odor. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray areas where ants are seen, including entry points and windowsills. Lemon juice. Similar to vinegar, the citric acid in lemon juice is an effective ant deterrent. Create a solution with equal parts lemon juice and water, and spray it around ant-prone areas. Cinnamon. This fragrant spice not only adds warmth to our dishes, but also confuses ants, disrupting their pheromone trails. Sprinkle ground cinnamon near entry points and along ant pathways. Peppermint oil. Ants detest the strong scent of peppermint. Mix a few drops of peppermint essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Spray this solution around baseboards, entry points, and other areas where ants are present. Diatomaceous earth. This natural powder made from fossilized diatoms works by dehydrating ants upon contact. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth around the perimeter of your home, along baseboards and near entry points. Avoid inhaling the powder, as it can be irritating to the respiratory system. Dish soap solution. A mixture of dish soap and water can disrupt the protective coating on ants' bodies, leading to dehydration. Fill a spray bottle with water and add a few drops of dish soap. Spray this solution directly on ants and wipe away any residue afterward. Borax and sugar bait. Borax acts as a slow-acting poison that interferes with ants' digestive systems. Combine equal parts borax and sugar, or honey, with a small amount of water to create a paste. Place small amounts of this bait on pieces of cardboard, or in shallow containers, and position them near ant trails. Keep this bait out of reach of children and pets. Taking a proactive approach to ant control can save you from the frustration of a full-blown infestation. These DIY methods offer effective, affordable, and environmentally friendly solutions for keeping ants at bay. By understanding the habits of these persistent pests and utilizing readily available resources, you can maintain a pest-free home without resorting to harsh chemicals. Remember to exercise caution when using any of these methods, especially around children and pets. With a little vigilance and the power of DIY, you can enjoy a comfortable and ant-free living space.